Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at how to use the zoom function tool in GoodNotes 5. And for those of you who haven't watched my videos before, or this is the first time watching this video, I'm using the iPad mini as well as the Apple first generation pencil. So let us get started with today's video by entering the app. And the feature I'm talking about is this very first feature. You see, instantly as I tap on it, it opens this rectangular space as you see here. Okay, so let us see how this feature is going to help us. So essentially what this feature does, let me show you by writing down something. It zooms the space of your notebook. Okay, so let's say I want to start writing something over here. It zooms it in for you without you having to zoom into the notebook page. Rather, it gives you a more controlled way or a more focused way for you to write. Because when you zoom in, you have more control over your hand movements. So let me show you what this box does by writing one of the definitions from one of my modules, and you'll be able to see what this does. Okay, give me a moment. So this is one of my economics modules and just one of the definitions. Now you see, after I have written price curves, there is this blue box that has appeared. Now this blue box is essential because it's going to make the zoomed out box move. So let me show you what that means. So whatever you're writing, continue to write it in the blue box now. So I'm going to write. Now what do you notice is that the small box, the blue color box which you see on your notebook, has in fact moved without you having to manually move the page with your finger when you're writing. So let me complete writing this, and you can see the blue box appearing again right in here, and the box is going to constantly move. So remember, if you want the box to move correctly, you have to write when the blue box shows. You have to write in that blue box space. So I'm going to just finish writing this definition. Rather long definition, but yeah. So now once we're done writing, you click the cancel button and you see what we've written in the zoomed out box is neatly written here. But what if we hadn't used the box? Then we have to constantly move our iPad screen with our finger. So if I write the same thing again, okay, reservation, you realize I have to move with my finger and continue. So this app kind of saved you time from moving the screen the whole time while writing, because sometimes people have a lot of stuff to write in their notes and it's going to be really troublesome if you have to constantly stop writing and move the iPad. So in that sense, this particular feature over here is really helpful. Alright then, so this concludes our really short video today on how to use the zoom feature. I hope that this will help you in creating your notes more conveniently. Do remember to check out my other videos in my playlist if you have any doubts or issues on how to use the other functions in GoodNotes. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next video.